I don't think any product is capable of transitioning your skin to oily skin. I mean, from dry, normal or combination skin to oily skin. I mean, the sebum or oil production is largely dependent on factors like genetics, hormones, and all of that. However, some products are capable of making your skin appear oilier or shinier. That makes sense. Hey guys, what is good? You're welcome back to my channel. In case you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Damilola and you are welcome here. Today I'm going to be sharing the tips and tricks for my oily and acne skin prone individuals. As someone that is oily and acne prone, I have tips and tricks for this. I mean, the things that I've done over the years to help maintain and manage my oily skin. Because if there is something about oily skin, you are likely going to be acne prone. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be sharing my tips and tricks to manage my oil production. In this video, I will be using sebum and oil production interchangeably. So if you hear any of the two, I'm saying the same thing. The first tip I'll give is to know your ingredients. This is very, very important because I mean, after knowing your skin type, the next thing you want to do is to know the kind of ingredients that will be good for your skin. This will save you money, it will save you stress, it will save you time at the long run. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'll talk about the ingredients to look out for and the ingredients to avoid. And number one on the ingredients to look out for is salicylic acid. If you are oily and acne skin prone, if you ask me, salicylic acid is supposed to be your best friend. It's supposed to be in your stash. Okay, I wanted to say routine, but then you can't use it every day. Okay, it is supposed to be in your stash. I'll talk about this very well subsequently in this video, but just keep that one somewhere. Salicylic acid, that's number one. Another ingredient to always look out for is niacinamide. Niacinamide will help you to balance oil production on your face because I mean oily. So our number one concern is usually oil production. Okay, so niacinamide, sorry, excuse me, niacinamide will help you to balance and manage and even reduce oil production. And in case your skin is inflamed, it will also help to calm inflammation. Another ingredient is clay. This is usually in form of mask. I remember when I just started skincare, I used to use this one. I think it's Aztec or something. I'll put it on the screen. I used to use that, and I stopped not because it's bad, but because I got substitutes. This is also good. It will help you. I just want to say that if you have oily skin and you want to use this particular one, please make sure you mix with water. Some people will advise you to mix with apple cider vinegar. I feel like that is too drying for the skin. Okay, back to what I was saying. Clay masks are very good. They will also help you to regulate and balance oil production. So you can also look out for that. Another ingredient to always look out for are hydrating products. And by hydrating products, I mean your ceramides, your hyaluronic acid, and your peptides. These are very good hydrating products. I know there is a lot of misconception about oily skin that I mean we do not need hydration because we do not need a lot of yes, hydration or moisture. That's what I was looking for because the skin is oily already. That is very wrong. Okay, you need hydration. All of these hydrating products will help your skin to retain moisture and ensure that your skin is well hydrated without your skin feeling greasy. So you need hydrating products in your routine. Other ingredients include retin A. This is very good for wrinkles and aging. Vitamin C. I feel like everybody knows about the good deeds of vitamin C. Then azelaic acid is also very good for oily and acne prone skin. Another thing I would recommend to always look out for on your products are products that are labeled non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic, okay? This means that product will not clog your pores. Most times when we break out is because the pores are clogged, right? So non-comedogenic products, they are basically telling you that don't worry, you be rest assured, your pores will not be clogged with this product. So it is important to look out for products like that. I have talked about the ingredients to look out for. Now I want to talk about the ingredients to avoid totally. Okay, and number one on my list is alcohol-based toners. When I started skincare, I know there are a lot of when I, and that's because most of my videos are based on my experiences. Okay, when I started out with skincare, I used to use a lot of alcohol-based toners, and it's because I didn't know better. I think that's also one of those why I think I'm still scarred when it comes to toners. I have a kind of love and hate relationship with them, and that is why toners are not a do or die affair for me. I can have them and I might not have them. It's not compulsory at all. But generally, toners are not bad, especially hydrating toners. Do I use them now? Yes, but not every day. But toners are good. Avoid alcohol based toners. Those toners will dry out your skin, and if you have acne, they are capable of making your acne worse. This happened to me, and I don't want it to happen to any one of you, so that's why I'm putting it out there. Another thing to avoid are physical scrubs or exfoliants. Those body scrubs, I'll put them on the screen. I know there are some that are not for body, some are labeled face kiniko, avoid them. As long as it's physical scrub, please avoid them, especially if you have active acne. It will worsen your acne, it will take you back to square one. Please don't use scrubs on your face, or the skin on the face is tender. Now imagine if there are active acne on your face. Please don't use physical scrubs and do not use physical exfoliants on your face. Another ingredient to avoid are comedogenic oils and occlusives, and this includes shea butter, petroleum, argan oil. Some of you don't have the fear of God because why are you putting ori on your face? Stop it, please. Let's be mindful of the kinds of oils that we put on our face. Another tip slash trick to maintain and take care of your oily and acne prone skin is to make sure that your skin is clean, and most importantly that your pores are clear of dirt. This is very important because really the we usually break out, we usually have acne when when our pores are clogged. And how can you make your skin clean? Number one thing is to cleanse, and in order to cleanse effectively, you need salicylic acid if your skin is oily and acne prone. Let me tell you, if you are oily and your skin is acne prone, there's no cleanser that will do the job of salicylic acid. Take it anywhere. Salicylic acid is so good for our skin type because, like other cleansers, it doesn't just clean your skin on the surface, it exfoliates your skin, it penetrates deep into your pores to unclog your pores. And when you use it over time, it fades hyperpigmentation, and it also reduces oil production. If you ask me, I would say salicylic acid is that babe. I'm sure by now your mind they are like, Karamo, how can the product be this good without? I'll tell you, salicylic acid also has its cons the way it has its pros, especially if you do not use it the right way. So I will tell you two ways to get the best experience out of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid has the tendency to dry out your skin, to peel your skin, or even cause redness. And obviously, you have acne prone, your acne could be inflamed. And the number one thing I would say is not to abuse it. Do not overuse it because at the core, salicylic acid is an exfoliant. So don't use it too much. As a matter of fact, because you are exfoliating 2 to 3 times in a week is okay. That's number one. Do not abuse it, do not overuse it. Number two is to allow your skin build tolerance. I use the salicylic acid wash from Cosrx, and now because I have used it over time, my skin has built tolerance. I use it every other night. But if you are starting out, you can start small by using it 2 to 3 times in a week. By the time you start using it, you will know that your skin when you will know when your skin gets used to it. So yeah, number one, do not abuse it, do not overuse it. Number two, start slowly and allow your skin to build tolerance. I think it's three. I have the third one. The third one is to always follow up with hydrating products. This is so important. Remember, I said it could dry out your skin, but these hydrating products will help your skin to retain moisture. It will make sure that it is not drying out your skin, because sometimes that is mostly the complaint people have about salicylic acid. They say, oh, it's too harsh, it's too drying. Again, I'll recommend this one from Cosrx because um after you use it, you will feel that your skin is squeaky clean, very clean. At the same time, you will feel that your skin is not tight. It still feels hydrated. That is my experience with it, and that is what most people have said about it. So I highly recommend. I have also used the one from CeraVe before, and it is good. Although they say you can use it every day, but I do not recommend. Please don't use it every day. Follow up with hydrating products. This could be in form of serums, toners, or even moisturizers, but make sure they are hydrating so that they will make up for the dryness that could occur. Another tip is to never skip your moisturizer. Again, there is a misconception that oily skin do not need moisturizers, they do not need hydration. This is a myth, it is not true. First of all, the skin produces sebum oil, not moisturizer. How is oil and moisturizer the same thing? Anyway, you need moisturizers because moisturizers will help you to regulate oil production, and they will also make sure that your skin remains hydrated. As a matter of fact, if you do not use your moisturizer, the signal you are sending to your sebaceous gland is, oh, this place is a desert, this land is not fertile, this land is dry. So the skin will then overcompensate for the dryness by producing more oil. The more the oil is produced, the more your pores get clogged, and that means more breakout, more acne, which is not good. So please never skip your moisturizers. Instead, you can opt for lightweight moisturizers or water-based moisturizers. As a matter of fact, avoid thick moisturizers. Those can also clog your pores. This one from CeraVe and this one from Jumiso are so good. You can also look out for other lightweight moisturizers that will do the job. This one from Neutrogena 2 is also good. It is water based and it gets the job done. This is what your routine should look like. Salicylic acid wash. I mean, on days that you are not using your regular cleanser, because like I said, salicylic acid is still an exfoliant, so you're not supposed to use it every day. So salicylic acid wash, um, hydrating toner, lightweight moisturizer, then oil-free sunscreen. I'm talking about during the day now. It is important to always look out for oil-free sunscreen, because again your skin is oily, so you do not want to add more oil to your skin. The last tip and trick I'm going to give in this video is to not overwash your face. So because there's a lot of sebum production going on, people feel the urge to, want to wash it off. You don't have to. If you need to wash your face 2 times in a day is enough, morning and night, when you have to do your routine. When you wash your face too much, your skin will dry out, your skin barrier could get damaged, and on top of it, there will be more oil production from fry pan to fire. Instead, focus on incorporating products, especially hydrating products, that will make sure your skin retains moisture, it stays hydrated, and it also controls the oil production. These ones will make sure your skin does not appear greasy or shiny or oily. So that means you won't have to want to wash your face always. With these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you as to why you have to subscribe to my channel. Why you have to like this video? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and please share. Guys, please, it gives me joy when you interact with my content, and yeah, let me like it so that YouTube can recommend it to other people, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. It will mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.